Now the next one, we need to draw this side, right? So this one again we have to draw 30 circle and 20 with that polygon. So we will draw radius 30 30, and then this one is 20 with 6 sided. So we go again here to polygon and we put number of edges here 6, not 5, 6, enter, and we choose this side. Again it should be inscribed, and you put it like that, and the dimension how much? It's 20. It's 20, right? So we put 20 and we get our second polygon. Let me explain this tip again. How to draw that polygon with 6 edges. You go here in rectangle, we choose the polygon, we choose the number of edges which is 6, we put 6 in keyboard and press enter. We choose how can I say, the center point, which is this one, and we choose the inscribe because it's inside the circle, and we put 25. Oh sorry, it's 20. It's 20. Let's do it again. 6, enter, inscribe, and 20. So we get our polygon or hectagon, we can call it, with 6 edges. Now what is the next? This one is drawn, this one is drawn. Now where we can start? Okay, now we have to draw this line and this line and use the fillet command with this one, right? Which is easy, but where the location of this thing, it's a little bit confusing because some dimensions are missing here, so we have to think more. We have to find another way how to draw this one. Okay. Okay, let's first draw these lines with how can I say, it's 20 from each others, right? So 20 mean if we have a center line like this, it should be 10 in the upward direction and 10 in downward direction. So what we can do, we can draw again. See, the midpoint is not coming, so you can go here and you choose the midpoint. Now the midpoint will be here. It will be 10 like this and 10 upward direction, but the total will be 20. Now we simply draw one like this line, simply draw like this, again simply draw a line like this, and simply draw a line like this. So what we achieve here, we need to do the fillet, right? So fillet here also not mentioned, so I would say the fillet here it should be 10, not 10, like 5, because it's too small, right? So 5, maybe 3, 4 or 5. So let's see how much fillet we can give. Fillet you can give from here. The fillet command mean you are rounding this area. So you go here, you choose the fillet and you give the radius. You click on this one and you put 4, for example, enter, and you click here. I think it's look little bit small. Let's give 5. So again you go to fillet and then clicking on radius, you put 5, you press enter, and you check this line and this line. Again fillet, radius 5, this line, this line. But once you use the previous command, it's automatically came the second time. If you choose the fillet, it's automatically there, like 5 is automatically there, you don't need to put all the time. But if you want to change the dimension, you have to do it again from there. Now this thing is finished. The other thing we can trim easily. Go trim, enter, this one trim, this one trim, right? So this thing we already finished. Now how to draw the other how can I say other things, how to draw this one. This one is a little bit confusing, but anyway, let's try. Oh, now I get it. How can we draw it? Let's go. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to find the middle point of these, from this circle to this circle, right? Not from this point to this point. So what we can do, we can draw one line from here to here, and we will check out where its center point, right? So the center point of this line is like this one. So this is basically how can I say the center point of this this geometry, like the one we need to draw. So it has 10 height and 70 length. It's mean the total length is 70, right? Don't be confused with this fillet. This one is again 5 fillet, so we will do that. So this one is 10, so 5 upward direction, 5 downward direction. We will go, we have to delete this line, we need to draw it again. 5 we have to go out, and 5 we have to come downward, but I will put the 10, which is the total. Now what we need to do, we need to draw 70 whole length, like vertical. So for that we need to draw 35, right? And we will go 10 downward direction, 70, 10, and then we will combine here. So we get our geometry, right? You need to think a little bit, like how can you handle this kind of thing, like you need to think a little bit. So now as we can see, the total length is 70, but we need to apply the fillet, as we can see here, right? It's the round shape, not like the corner shape. So we go again to fillet, we go to radius, and radius we will 5 we will put, enter, here fillet, again fillet, sorry, here, here, and finally here. So there you go, we get our final dimension, like final drawing. How can I say, now we need to put the dimension, which is really easy. You just simply go again to this feature, it's radius and radius, yeah. Okay, let's radius 30, and this is 10. 10 means it's a height. They put the height, not like how can I say, it's a height or what. 20 mean it's not, it's a height, yeah. Not this one, it's a angular. What? Why it's coming little bit less, 19.9. What if you put the radius? Now it's coming proper. I don't know what's the problem with our, see, now it's coming proper, 20.00 something, but it's okay. Dimension is okay, it's not wrong. So we can put the remaining also, like 10. This one was 7. So this one was 70, and next one is 129, and that one, okay, linear 129 from here to here. So again there's some problem. I don't know why there's a problem in the dimension always. I guess we have to choose the proper center point like this, then it will be no problem. Okay, there is no center point. Yeah. Okay. Again some problem. Okay, we will try one more time. See, now it's coming 129. There's some, like, you need to exactly choose the, if you choose this point, so it will be different, but if you choose the center point exactly, it is coming properly. So there you go, guys. This is the first week, how can I say, drawing. I hope you guys enjoy it, and you already draw it with me, and please practice on this one, because this one will help you later with many complex geometry we are going to draw. For example, we have many tutorials or drawings for this class, so that these will help you in that complex one later. I will show you some few if I find out. Let's see. Yeah, like this, like these kind of drawing you can easily draw once you know the basic of all those things. So this is very interesting. I hope you guys like it, and see you in next class. Bye.